Hey guys, you are gonna love this project today. We are making over food cans. The supplies are pretty easy. Just get some cans. If you don't have any, ask a local restaurant. You could also pick up fabric, some double stick tape. For this first can, I covered it with oilcloth. If you want to add more color, you can wrap some yarn around the edges. That was a good warm-up. Now time to move on to the larger cans. I really like the ones that are coated inside because that means they won't rust when I put water and flowers in them. Okay, time to paint. First thing, I'm going to primer these with some gesso. That way my colors will be nice and even and bright. Another idea is to use a spray paint primer. Once your cans are dry, it's time to start applying the base coat. And this is the part where I'm going to ask for your forgiveness because my footage of me painting these actually kind of got killed. So here's the end result. I do have a Facebook Live video where I painted these other cans, but basically what you want to do is paint in layers. You want to do a little shading, and when it's all dry, make sure to seal it with a gloss varnish or glossy Mod Podge, and they just look so cute. Now go out there and paint some cans, and don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and use your crafty goodness to save the world. Thanks guys, bye!